Pampered soaps. Today we're making our Cashmere Desire Cube soap. So this is a little bit of a larger batch. We have our 10-pound mold here. Have my oils and my lye water. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up and get it ready to a medium trace, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I put this recipe together. Hi guys, Regina from Pampered Soap. We're back. Alright, I have mixed up the Cashmere scent. That's the fragrance we use for it. And I have mixed in some French vanilla clay to kind of give it a very light tan color. Smells awesome. I'm going to go ahead and spray my mold here with alcohol. Even though it's a wood mold, we still do that. If you guys like the channel and you like what you see, we do videos like this, how-tos, every Saturday. So please like, comment, and subscribe. All right, we're going to go ahead and pour right into the mold here. Ooh, look at that color, so pretty. Yes, beautiful. There we go. Now this one we're going to divide into 18 cube bars, so I'm going to straighten this out here in a moment. And then we're going to go ahead and put the dividers in. Alright, so let me give this a good tap. Oop. And I'm making a mess. There we go. Let me grab my spatula. Just kind of straighten it out a little bit. So bear with me a moment. Alright, so let me just straighten this out a little bit so it doesn't look so lumpy. Let's do that. And then we're going to go ahead and put the dividers in. Alright. Perfect. Alright. I'm going to spray the top of this with some alcohol quickly. And then we're going to go ahead and put the dividers on. Alright. So, we're just going to slide these right in here. Push down. Try to be careful. Take my time. I don't want to rush it. So I can make sure we get even, perfect bars. There we go. Alright. Push it all the way down. This mold will probably sit for about a day, maybe two. We'll see how it looks. Alright. Okay. And this has a cover with it, this wonderful mold here, so we don't have to use plastic wrap like we normally do. We're going to go ahead and cover it up. We have our wonderful wood piece that goes right on top, just like so. All right, and we will see you guys back on Saturday for our next masterpiece.